Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about the indicators used in industrial atmosphere. So what type of indicators generally been used? Indicators are generally what you have seen are round type of indicators, red, green, amber or whatever it may be, blue. When the indicator becomes on, then the meaning of that indicator is those are on or off or trip or some safety features. But these round type of indicators, we call it as a lamps, are generally being used in combination with the legend plates. So when the lamp is on, you cannot say why the lamp is on. So you need a legend plate at the bottom. And these legend plates are in due time, or say 1 year, 2 year, due to the dust or due to the coating has been gone, those are not visible. So you need something which is really visible throughout the life of the lamp is being used and is being called as annunciation windows. See, these are all annunciation windows. So what are these annunciation windows? This is beyond the indicators or indicating lamps. What is beyond it is generally these indicating annunciation systems are fitted inside with the legends inside. There are legends inside, though these legends glow when the light is on. When the legends are glowing, actually when the lamp is on, these legends are fitted, see, like a fault or something like that. Legends are fitted inside this glowing part. So you don't need the legend plates anymore if you use this legend window or legend annunciation windows. These are in various types, and types like smaller one, bigger one. Why these bigger ones are needed? Generally the legends are like this: pump 1 on, pump 2 on, pump 3 on, or synchronization motor is on. It is a big one. Or low pressure in upper tank of chemical. This is on. So there are various legends available. Various sizes are available. So if the bigger the sizes, you need a bigger the window. If this is a 60 by 60 window, so you need more and more lines inside this. Or sometimes what happens, small letters are not visible from the remote control panel. So control panel, suppose it is placed in remote place or on the top place, you can see what is written on it. So you need to have bigger windows with bigger legends on it. These are the various applications for different windows. In these windows we have got 30 by 30 mimic, then 40 by 30, 60 by 30, 60 by 60. These are the different windows available. But these are annunciation windows. When the supply is given, it will glow. But there are some applications where you need the systems of annunciators. Those are called as annunciation systems or annunciators. In this, what happens? These are the annunciation systems. In this, the legends are fitted over here. Suppose 8-point annunciation system is there. This much is the system. What happens when the fault comes? This window will flash. And the operator comes, accepts the button. This window will be steady. And when the fault goes, it will go off or it will be off. These are called as annunciation systems. And this happens with all the windows. So whenever the fault comes, it will flash. Operator will come and accept, then it will become steady, and when the fault goes, it will be auto reset. Also, in combination with this, there are hooters. When the fault comes, when it flashes, the hooter sounds the sound, so a particular operator will come to know there is a fault. He will come to that annunciation system, he will see, array, this one is the fault. So he will come and accept. When he accepts, this will become steady and the sound will be off. You cannot make the sound off on unlimited till the fault is there. So we can call it as a audio accept also. Now in bigger plants or bigger systems, these 8 points are not the only things. This is called as points. So we need more of points. That means 8 points, multiples of 8 points, 16 points, and the multiples of that up to say 64. In that case, these particular bodies are coupled together, synchronized together, and becomes a bigger annunciation system. Also, in this some critical points are there. If you want to have an output of the faults, the Modbus output is there, which you can use for your PLCs, for your automation. So if it is an atomic plant, these annunciation systems are placed on the control panels, and means in control room, these are being total plant is being controlled. This is just an example. So in all chemical factories, pharmaceuticals, any big factories, there are central cabins or central rooms where this annunciation system, fault annunciation systems are being fitted, where the total plant control is there, and this is controlling the total plant. So any fault occurs, it will be shown on this particular thing. Again, in this, you can remove this and fit the lesions. So inside this, these are the annunciator windows to annunciation system. Is the total travel. This is the total total products we deal in. One more point, critical point is also there. I just forgot to tell you. Generally, what happens when one fault comes, because of this one fault, 4 different faults come. So when the operator comes to that particular annunciation, at a time 5 windows are flashing. So you will not come to know why the 5 faults are came immediately. So you must know which fault is first, then others are followed. For that, first fault annunciation systems are also developed. That is also part and parcel of our basket. In that case, the fault which first fault comes will have a fast flash, and other faults will have a slow flash. So immediately you can come to know which is the first fault. This is called as first fault annunciation system. That also we deal in. There are some other characteristics, other types also, where these cannot be fitted on the front door. Then in that case, only these windows are being fitted, and the particular circuit is fitted inside a box, and that is fitted inside the mounting plate. Those are generally weatherproof type of things, and these weatherproof annunciation systems also available with us. So this is a total scenario about our annunciators, windows and annunciation systems. If you want still more details, or you want to have a technical query, you can contact me. My name is Anand. My number is 9821252022, and my email ID is mimic.cells@gmail.com. Thank you.